Here they come, all four of them. Some div on a bike, standing on a post.
What can I do? Get his fucking head.
Yeah.